Every cybersecurity professional starts with a decision to learn, to practice, and to continuously improve. At A7 Security Hunters, we believe cybersecurity education should go beyond theory. It should prepare learners for real-world challenges through practical experience and structured learning. A7 Security Hunters is a cybersecurity education and research organization dedicated to helping learners build practical skills in ethical hacking, penetration testing, digital forensics, reverse engineering, malware analysis, and defensive security. Our goal is to create an environment where students learn by doing, developing the confidence to apply cybersecurity concepts in realistic scenarios.
Our mission is to make practical cybersecurity education accessible through structured courses, hands-on laboratories, and continuous skill development. We focus on building problem-solving abilities, technical understanding, and professional growth. Learning cybersecurity requires practice. Our training combines instructor guidance with hands-on exercises designed to simulate real environments. Students work through practical labs covering web security, network security, Windows and Linux administration, Active Directory, Android security, reverse engineering, malware analysis, password auditing, privilege escalation, and other core cybersecurity topics. Through A7 Cyber Lab, learners can strengthen their skills in controlled practice environments. These labs are designed for educational purposes, allowing students to explore vulnerabilities, understand defensive concepts, and improve their technical capabilities in a safe setting. Our learning platform provides access to structured courses, learning resources, assessments, and progress tracking, helping students learn at their own pace while following a guided curriculum. A7 Security Hunters offers practical certification programs that assess skills developed through our training. Our certifications are intended to validate practical competencies within our learning ecosystem and support learners as they build their cybersecurity portfolios. Learning continues beyond the classroom. Our community encourages collaboration, discussion, and knowledge sharing, giving students opportunities to ask questions, exchange ideas, and continue developing their skills.